Guys, I love a good lasagna. And what I thought was, hey, let's try to make an undone lasagna on the Blackstone Griddle. Always better, right? So hey, today we're gonna do an undone lasagna on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries, y'all. You will not wanna miss it. Let's go. That's some good groceries. Get things started. I got 1 pound of mild Italian sausage. You can use whatever you want there. You know, you want to do ground burger, you want to do hot sausage, just do whatever you like. And we're just gonna let that get some of that griddle action, okay? Get a little bit of caramelization. All right, while the Italian sausage is cooking, we're gonna get an onion chopped up. Just a half an onion here. You know, just feel free to, you know, just add, subtract what you want here, really. Just kind of make it your own. I'm gonna add this, a pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper to those onions. Just for safe measures, just a tad of oil. This is avocado oil. Just gonna saute these onions around and we're gonna let those go until they're nice and translucent. All right, so we're just gonna flip our sausage over to the other side, let it get nice and caramelized for about another 2 to 3 minutes and we'll come right back. After about 3 minutes, we're gonna chop up this Italian sausage to manageable pieces, and I like mine about to this consistency right here. Once you do that, we can start adding our onions. Now, one thing I like in my lasagna is I like spinach. I love spinach. So we're gonna add, I don't know, a good 8 ounces of spinach. It looks like a lot. It's gonna wither down to about like that right there. So it goes really, really far. Love, love spinach. My inspiration for this dish was from Father's Day. My wife, she made me lasagna for Father's Day. I love lasagna. Every Father's Day for now, about 3 years, I ask for lasagna. That's just because I love it. And plus, I don't have to cook. And she made 2 lasagnas, a red lasagna and a white lasagna. I enjoyed both. And I thought, man, what if I did an undone lasagna on the griddle? She thought it was a great idea. I thought it was a great idea. So here we are. Thank you, dear, for the beautiful lasagna on Father's Day and the inspiration behind this dish. So as you can see, our spinach has kind of withered down. And you can kind of say, I need more or I need less. So you can kind of use that for however you like. Now, my pasta, I just use a rigatoni pasta. I pre-cooked this before the cook. And basically just cooked to the package. 1 layer of rigatoni. I really thought rigatoni was good. It's got those nice edges. It'll hold the sauce, the cheese, and all that kind of good stuff. This looks fantastic. But we're not done. We are not done. I do want to note my Blackstone right now was at about a medium heat when I had the sausage down. It's all on low right now. I know a lot of people ask that. Just want to make sure you know. Sauce of choice, it's like what you drive. Ford, Chevy, Toyota. I'm just using some Rayo's marinara for this. Use what you like. Apparently I'm weak today. There we go. Now we're just gonna put this right over our pasta. One thing I like whenever I do these kinds of things on the griddle, and plus my mama always said, put you a little water in there, get all that stuff out. So, thanks, Mom. I don't like to waste. Kind of shake that up. It also helps everything on the griddle whenever you put that water and all right there. There we go. Woo. Now we're just gonna mix this in. Just like so. This right here, my friends, looks amazing, but we're not done. As you know, lasagna has ricotta cheese. I'm gonna add some dollops of ricotta. I love ricotta cheese. Love, love, love it. Mozzarella cheese, plenty of mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna do 1 whole pack. We got some Parmesan cheese too, right over top. Good amount of Parm. Now they're just gonna mix this in. Get it all incorporated, melty goodness. I'll be honest with y'all, we're gonna need some more ricotta. And that's the cool thing. You do this at home, you know what you like, add what you like. Hussey's not gonna judge you. Want to mix this around just for a couple more minutes, just till incorporated. This dish is gonna be done. All right. This right here is looking really good, but we're not done. We're just going to add just a little touch of freshness. Just picked this from a little garden. Love having fresh herbs. We are just going to fold that up nice and tight. We want to make some just pretty little ribbons. Chef Nate will be proud of me on that shifting knob. Anytime I do pasta, really love fresh cracked pepper. Just really does something. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, and could probably lose just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt, just to round that out. Just going to mix this around. Ooh, Nelly. Y'all, it's right here. Now this is a dish. Nice little serving dish. Put your pasta down right in the middle. Y'all, this is gonna be a crowd pleaser. I wanna make sure I get plenty. A little bit of spinach, a little bit of pasta. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Guys, this is straight slamming. Y'all, this is a fast way to make lasagna. Don't have to warm your house up. It's just awesome. Give us a try. But hey, don't go off yet. I got a mess over here. Let me show you how I clean a griddle. It doesn't take very long at all. Get your old scraper. I like this little handheld one here. I like to come in, all that stuff on those spatulas. You just kind of get at this stuff that's just stuck on here, all right? So just scrape it just like this. I mean, it's literally less than a 5-minute job here, guys. There we go. Now, I don't want to fill up my rear grease. I'm just going to take this old stuff here, put it right in the trash can. All right, there we go. I mean, it's pretty clean already. I'm just going to take a little bit of water. Got the Blackstone on a low heat right now. Let that water kind of steam. It helps just to lift everything off of the top of the griddle. Come in, do your spatulas. That steam just helps get everything right off. When you do a pasta dish or something like that, it gets really nasty. So, like I said, it don't take less than 5 minutes to get this thing right. There we go. When it's at this point here, I like to just take some paper towels. This is when I kind of do fine-tuned cleaning here. This thing is ready for the next time you griddle. What I do encourage you to do is let this dry for about a minute with your burners on a low heat. Take you just a little bit more oil, just like this. Get you another paper towel. If also, you can do some cooking spray on this if you like, just whatever you use to cook with. Put you a nice thin layer of oil right onto the griddle. Make sure you get your sides and your corners and all that kind of good stuff. And there you have it. That's how I clean my griddle. It's ready for the next time. Y'all, I appreciate you watching. I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. I am Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.